Welcome back again, everybody. And the 4th of July is upon us. That's correct. Time to celebrate the birth of the United States. And you know what? We're here getting you ready so that come the 4th, you're going to be the hit. Because, there are going to be picnics. There's going to be all sorts of fun things going on. And someone's going to say, hey, what can I bring? And they say, well, why don't you bring some fruit? Well, you know what? Today we're going to go from the usual to the unusual. Today we're going to show you how to make a wonderful, wonderful Hawaiian Malihini Mélange fruit salad. Is that good, Nadia? Are you eating something over there already? You can't stop eating.
I'm trying to see how sweet it is.
Sweet enough, my love.
It's very sweet. It's
very
good.
Sweet. Very good. I tell you, this is going to be, your honeydew, cantaloupe, tasteless strawberries. Nah, this is going to make you the hit of the picnic season with this.
That's very true.
Do you know what Malihini means?
I'm not so sure.
If you don't know, just say.
I don't know.
Well, the Malihini means foreigner or newcomer. And melange is a mixture. And this is what it is. It's a new mixture we're going to have you take to your next party. You know what? Everyone can get cantaloupes. Everybody can get honeydew. But you know what? You can also get these things. Papayas, mangoes, etc. And we're going to make this wonderful, wonderful fruit salad. Now, Magda, what do we have over there?
No, that's okay. You can do the talk. I'm just getting sliced every fruit
we have a cup of papaya. We have a cup of mangoes.
Right.
That's correct.
And they taste good.
Before we go any further, what are these things? What are these? Chestnuts? What are that, Magda?
Chestnuts? No.
What are those things?
They're a little prickly when you touch them.
And what are they?
But you clean them. Lychee.
Lychee nuts. That's right.
Lychee
Lychees.
nuts.
Over in Britain, for all our fans over there, they call it lychee. Lychee. We in America call it lychee. And since it comes from Hawaii, and that's part of America, we win. Lychee nuts. Okay, they're lychees.
We bought them in the can and they're already clean. And they look this way.
Oh,
they're very nice.
Right.
And what you're going to do is either break them in half or in 4, and they are going to our salad. Wow. But that's how they look when they're whole. I'm going to show you how you clean the fresh ones.
Well, why don't you do that?
They're very sweet. I'm going to put this one in.
Oh my God.
Very nice.
Look at already. Papaya, mango, lychee nuts.
It's already
Look at
there.
this.
Yes.
Look, Aunt Harriet's going wild when she sees you bring this to the picnic.
They will love it. They will love you. It's something very new.
You're going to be asked to come back, whether you want to go back or not. You're going to be asked back to see Aunt Harriet.
So this is very easy. The skin comes off very easy. Little ones can help you with not knife, but you can help them.
I don't know what they're going to use.
I know, I don't know. And then you just kind of open it, and this is the fresh one, and you're going to throw away the stone. We don't need the seed. The seed is going to go away. This is the fresh one. I'll open one more.
You sort of butchered that one, huh?
I know.
Wow, that's spurting out here. Holy moly. These fresh ones are
you
sort of.
You didn't need to do that, Blaine.
Wow.
That's what happened when you're next to the chef here.
Well, you're
the
right.
Cook.
Well, I'll tell you what.
A regular cook.
Let
the young ones.
There's many more
help
ingredients
if they
coming
can.
too. Well, not a lot.
Here it is. All this is fresh, sweet, delicious. I'm going to throw it in there, and they're both very good, canned or fresh. Right. Go in. Good job.
We found them both.
That's how.
We found both.
You find them both.
And we found the papaya and the mangoes both. We found. If you want to get canned, you can get the canned ones and drain it. That's
papaya,
fine.
This is extra.
Okay.
I already have a whole one. It's a cup. What's next?
Bananas.
Bananas, yay!
We got bananas.
We love to cut bananas.
And we have got a new gadget for you folks. That's right, a new gadget that we got. You know my delivery Magda, she loves gadgets.
Love gadgets.
Wait till you see this one. You're going to like this. Oh my God. What do you have there, Magda?
A gadget to cut a slicer for bananas.
A banana slicer, exactly.
And for breakfast,
look at this.
Great.
Look at this. Everything is exactly symmetrically even. It's perfect.
And when you're going to mix them, they'll be just perfect.
Look at that. Look at that. Woo. That's great. I'll have a bite. Nice.
Would you like one? Oh boy. I'm going to wipe my hands.
We need another
and
banana.
I'll do the other
2 bananas.
One. That's good. Ready?
Yeah, they're 2 bananas.
Yeah, for a salad, put them right in. They'll give a great taste to our melange.
Yeah, melange. Yeah.
Melange.
Malihini melange.
Yes.
By the way, happy 62nd birthday to Hawaii, which comes up in August 21st. They were admitted to the Union back in 1959. So, wow.
Good.
In
All
honor of
this is
them and in
done.
honor of the 4th of July, here we are. Now,
It's a wonderful thing.
what are we putting on next?
Next
about some
we are
orange
going
juice?
to have, we have half an orange juice.
Half a cup of orange juice. Yeah.
It's about half of the lemon. So let's mix all these nice liquids and mix it in.
We put that in first, and then after it's mixed, we put that on.
That's how we did it last time?
Yes, that's how we did it.
I
I know you were
forgot.
probably busy playing with the banana slicer.
Thank you, Blaine.
Well, I know
Let's
you.
mix nice.
You were eating another papaya. Look at this, friends.
Papaya.
Look at the colors, and look at the smells and the
The
flavors.
white colors.
Wow. Now we're going to
sun.
put this in.
And now we are going to add the maraschino
Cherry sauce.
sauce.
Yeah.
And we'll get really a nice
Beautiful.
flavor in.
Oh, and look
All
at the
done.
colors.
Almost all
Now-
done, right?
What we do next.
What else we do?
Well, next thing we got to do is we have to chill it. Now, we're going to put it and chill it for around an hour. So when you get to your hostess's or host house, say, hey, do you mind if I put this in the refrigerator? Chill it for an hour. Okay, but we're not going to take that hour today
We're not
because we're
going
doing
to.
a video. Okay,
But leave it overnight in the
and not overnight, an hour, just an hour before. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Now this is going to serve at least 6 people. If you want more, just double everything.
Just mix
Beautiful,
it a little bit
okay.
before.
Look at that.
Serve
Wow.
it. And then on top,
Yeah.
we are going to put just a little bit of
A few
the...
maraschino cherries. Everybody likes maraschino cherries.
Yes.
There we
Perfect.
go. And
One more surprise.
that's right.
Sprinkle.
Some flaky coconut. Again, as much or little. Okay, it's not Christmas.
That's good enough?
Okay, yep, that's fine.
Well, I like more in mine.
Well, some people don't. So
Yes.
again, if
Yeah.
to me, if I'm going to be going, I'm going to have this separately that people can put on as many cherries or coconuts as they would like. But look at this, friends. Look at the colors.
Beautiful.
Look at the colors.
Yes.
And it's not the usual stuff. We all can do usual. Let's make it unusual. Let's make it exciting. Let's celebrate the Hawaiian Islands.
That's right.
Flavor, those looks. Yeah, I know. I'm sort of stuck on Polynesia and Hawaii right now, friends. But you know, the smells, the flavors is great.
So what should we say? Manja manja till next
I
time.
guess, or Happy Birthday America. I don't know.
Happy 4th of
birthday.
July.
Have a wonderful Malihini melange.
Yep. Everyone enjoy your holiday. Till next time.
Love your brother.
Take care
Okay.
and try this one. Have on the side the coconut and this, and let everybody help themselves.